Good morning, ma'am. 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 How are you, ma'am? How are you, ma'am? How are you, ma'am? Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? How are you, ma'am? How are you, ma'am? Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? Good morning, ma'am. Where are you, ma'am? How are you? Hello. Good morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all
How
of you.
are
Good
you,
morning. Good
ma'am?
morning. Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am.
Rishikesh, where were you? After a long time.
I am fine, thank you. I was in Mumbai.
Ah, so what you brought for us?
Sweet.
Ah, so when the school will reopen in the month of January, you know, so you bring it. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Who is talking Malayalam there? Okay, so let's start.
Yes.
Jigsabi, let's start.
Yes.
All of you sit straight. Sit straight.
Yes,
Sit straight. Okay. So please join your hands. Join your hands and close your eyes. Ah, okay. Okay, Nedik. Nedik is ready to say the prayer. Yes, Nedik? I didn't understand. Are you ready to say the prayer?
I can't, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start. Oh Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Please open your eyes, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We are discussing
Good
subtraction.
morning, ma'am.
So let's recall the points. Okay. What is subtraction, Abhimanyu? Abhimanyu, what is subtraction? Or subtraction means
Taking away.
taking away. Which symbol we use for subtraction, Nidik? Which symbol we use? Minus. Okay. Then what we call the answer on subtracting? Dixabi, what we call the answer on subtracting?
Difference. Difference.
Take difference. 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 And also we know subtract, left, remain, and which is another word? Difference. These are the words related to subtraction. Now today we are going to discuss subtraction using fingers. Okay, different methods are there to subtract the numbers. When we study the addition, we use our fingers. So today we are using our fingers to subtract the numbers. 2 one-digit numbers. So please show me how we will show using our fingers the number 0. How we will show 0? Yes, this is 0. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so these are the 10 fingers. So we can show the numbers using our fingers. Once again, okay, once again, please, all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now, how we will subtract the numbers using our fingers? See, I'm going to write a subtraction fact here. Please listen. So here I'm going to write 5 minus 2. Okay, 5 minus 2. So what we will do? We will open 5 fingers. All of you show me 5 fingers. Show me 5 fingers. Yes, Nidhi, correct. So we can open 5 fingers. From this 5 fingers, we will fold 2 fingers. Okay. So what's remaining? What's remaining? 3. So the answer is 3. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Now let's see another one. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4. So we can open 6 fingers. Open 6 fingers, all of you. 6 fingers. Now from that we have to fold 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's remaining? 2. So the answer is 2. Now another one. Another one. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. So we can open 5 fingers. From this 5, we are folding 1 finger. So what's remaining? 4. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Now another question. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. So you can open 7 fingers. From the 7, we can fold 2 fingers. So what's remaining? 5. The answer is 5. Now, all of you, please listen here. Here, 5 minus 2, we got the answer 3. 6 minus 4, we go to 2. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Here we can see we are subtracting smaller number from a bigger number. That means, see the first one, 5 minus 2. What is the meaning of this? 5 were there, 2 taken away. What is remaining? 3. Okay, 5 were there, 2 taken away. What's remaining? 3. So we can subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. Can we do 2 minus 5? Huh? Can we do 2 minus 5? No. Why, Inaya? Why we cannot do? Why?
Smaller.
Which is smaller? What is smaller?
2.
Yes, Akshar. Yes, Akshar. Listen
smaller.
here. See, I have 5 chocolates. I have 5 chocolates. I'm giving 3 chocolates to my son. So from the 5, I can give 3. No problem. The remaining 2 will be with me.
2.
But I have 5 and he is asking 6. Can I give 6 chocolates to him? No. I have only 5. Then from where I can give 6? So we can't subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. Okay, we can't subtract, we cannot subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. We can subtract smaller number from a bigger number. Okay, 5 minus 2 is possible, but 2 minus 5 is not possible. Okay, once again, 5 minus 2 is possible, but 2 minus 5 is not possible because 2 is a smaller number compared to 5. Okay, we can take away small things from the big, means from more things. Understood? But in the case of addition, we can do in any way. If we add the numbers, changing the position, nothing is happening to the sum. The answer will be same. But in the case of subtraction, we can't change the position of numbers. We can't change the position of numbers. Understood? Understood or not?
Yes.
Yes. See, 5 minus 2 is possible, but 2 minus 5 is not possible. Now, please listen. Let me ask each one of you. Please tell me the answer. Okay. Now, Joania, would you tell me the answer? 6 minus 2. What's the answer? Show me the fingers and tell me the answer. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. What's the answer, Joania?
This
Ah.
minus
Now, you can fold 2. What is remaining?
2.
See, you open 6 fingers now. Show me once again 6 fingers. Okay. Now, you can fold 2. What is remaining?
4.
4. So the answer is 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Jake Sebi, tell me the answer. Okay. 5 minus 1. Show me the fingers and tell me the answer. 5 minus 1. Open 5 fingers. From that, you can fold 1 finger. Now, what is remaining?
4.
Very good. It's 4. Okay. Now, Asher Sergeant, tell me the next one. Okay. Here we have 4 minus 4. What's the answer, Asher? 4 minus 4. 4 were there. 4 taken away. So, what's remaining?
4.
So what we'll see, Asher?
0.
0. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Good boy. Now, Kevin, tell me the answer. Okay. Here we have 6 minus 1. What's the answer, Kevin? 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1.
6 minus 5.
5. Very good. Now, Chelsea, tell me the answer. Seven minus 4. What's the answer, Chelsea? 7 minus 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 3.
Very good. Nainia, tell me the answer. Nainia, 6 minus 4. What's the answer? 6 minus 4, Nainia? 6 minus 4. You can fold 4 fingers. What's remaining? What's remaining? Look at me and tell me the answer. 2. Very good. Now, Crisando, tell me the answer. Crisando, tell me the answer. Eight minus 2. What's the answer, Crisando? 8 minus 2. Open 8 fingers. From that, you can fold 2 fingers. 8 minus 2.
6.
Very good. Now, Abhimanyu, tell me the answer. 5 minus 5. What's the answer, Abhimanyu? 5 minus 5? You open 5 fingers and show me. Only 5. 5 you open. Only 5. Now, 5 were there. 5 taken away. What's remaining? 0. Okay, good boy. Now, Banu Lakshana, tell me the answer. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1.
1 equal to
Open 7 fingers. From that, you can fold 1 finger. What's remaining?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so what's the answer?
6.
6. Rashim, tell me the answer. 10 minus 5. What's the answer, Rashim? 10 minus 5. Show me 10 fingers. From that, you can fold 5 fingers. What's remaining? 10 minus 5. Yes, Rashim?
5.
5. Very good. Now, Risa Muhammad, tell me the answer. Rasa? 6 minus 0. What's the answer, Rasa? 6 minus 0.
0.
What's the answer, Rasa? See, 6 were there. Okay? 6 were there. You didn't give to anyone. No one taken away. So what's remaining? 6 were there. Ah, yes. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6 itself. 6 minus 0. That means 6 were there. Nobody taken. You didn't share with others also. So 6 minus 0, 6 itself. You have 6 itself. Okay. Now, Rishikesh, tell me the answer. 8 minus 1. What's the answer, Rishikesh? 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1. You can open 8 fingers. From that, you fold 1 finger. What's remaining? 1 finger you fold. 7. Unmute and tell me 7. Unmute and tell me. Unmute the device. Rishikesh, unmute the device. Unmute, unmute. Unmute the device, Rishikesh. Now what's the answer?
7.
7. Okay. Now, Inaya, tell me the answer. 9 minus 2. What's the answer, Inaya? 9 minus 2.
9.
9 minus 2.
1, 2.
So what's remaining?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. So what's the answer?
7.
Okay. Now, Joseph Johannes, tell me the answer. Joseph? 6 minus 1. What's the answer, Joseph? 6 minus 1.
6 minus 1. 6 minus 5.
Very good. Devharan, tell me the answer. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. You can open 4 fingers. From that, you please fold 3 fingers. 4 minus 3. See, you have to take only 4. Take only 4, Devharan. Only 4. Okay. From this 4, you have to fold 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Now, what is remaining?
1.
1. Okay. Now, Akshad, tell me the answer. Akshad, 9 minus 3. What's the answer, Akshad? The 9 minus 3. Open 9 fingers. From that, you fold 3 fingers.
6.
Okay, very good. Now, Seraphin, tell me the answer. Seraphin, 5 minus 2. Open 5 fingers. Show me 5 fingers. From that, you fold 2 fingers. Only 5. Seraphin, only 5. Okay, from this 5 only, we are folding 2. What's remaining?
2.
Eh? You look at the fingers, how many open?
5.
See, you open 5 fingers. Once again. Okay, Seraphin, you open 5 fingers and show me. Now you fold 2 fingers. 1, 2. What's remaining?
2.
How many fingers are open?
2.
Only 2. Count you. Please count. How many are open?
2, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Show me the fingers. Show me the fingers. Move. Move to right side your fingers. Your hand, you move to right side. Open 5 fingers. Okay. Now it is 5 fingers. Okay, Seraphin? From this 5, you have to fold 2 fingers. Fold 2 fingers. 1, 2. Now it's okay. Now how many open? How many open? Count and tell me.
3.
So what's the answer?
3.
5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, Devana, tell me the answer. 6 minus 6. Devana, 6 minus 6.
6. 6.
6.
6.
Minus 6.
Minus.
Means 6 were there, 6 taken away.
6. Only 6. Take it away.
You
6.
didn't understand. 6 were there, okay? 6 were there, 6 taken away. 6 taken away means you have to fold the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's remaining? 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now you understood?
Yes.
Abel, Sony, tell me the answer. 5 minus 1. What's the answer, Abel? 4. Very good. Now, Deva, tell me the answer. 7 minus 4. Deva, 7 minus 4. Java, can I sit properly? Seven minus 4. Tell me the answer.
12.
Yes, Deva. 7 minus 4. What's the answer?
12.
I asked 7 minus 4. So you have to open 7 fingers. Show me 7 fingers. Deva. Where is your 7 fingers? Okay. Now from this, you have to fold 4 fingers. 1, 7. Now you have to fold 4 fingers means 1, 2, 3, 4. What's remaining?
3.
3. Okay. Emmanuel Shinto, tell me. 8 minus 2. What's the answer, Emmanuel? 8 minus 2. 8. 8 minus 2 is equal to?
8.
Open 8. I can see 6 only. 8 you open and show me. 8.
8.
Now it's only 7. 8. 8. Okay. Now it is 8. 8 minus 2.
2.
Very good. Now what's the answer?
6.
6. Okay. Now, Dean, tell me the answer. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2.
3.
4 minus 2. Open 4 fingers and show me.
4.
4. Okay. From this 4, you can hold 2. What's remaining?
2.
Okay. Now, Alan and Alfie, please listen. See? Alan, 6 minus 1. What's the answer, Alan? 6 minus 1. Show me 6 fingers and hold 1 finger. 6 minus 1. Alan. 6 minus 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Alfie, tell me. 6 minus 2. What's the answer, Alfie? 6 minus 2. 4. Okay. Now, Mohammed Shamin, tell me the answer. 5 minus 4. What's the answer, Mohammed Shamin? 5 minus 4. You can fold 4 fingers. Shamin, 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. 1. Very good. Hannah Maria. 7 minus 4. What's the answer, Hannah? 7 minus 4. 7. Open 7 fingers. From that you fold 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's remaining?
3.
Okay. Rayan Sandeep. 6 minus 5.
Yes, ma'am.
6 minus 5. Rayan? 6. 6 only I asked. It's 7. Now it is 6. Now 6 minus 5. So what's remaining? 1. Anirudh, 7 minus 5. What's the answer? 7 minus 5.
7.
7 minus 5.
2, 3, 4, 5.
What's remaining? 2. Okay. Elhana. 4 minus 1. What's the answer, Elhana? 4 minus 1.
4 minus 1.
Ah.
4,
Ah.
5,
Ah. What's the answer?
3.
Okay. Now, Saiha, tell me. 9 minus 9. What's the answer, Saiha? 9 minus 9. Okay, 9. Minus 9. Continue. Fold 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's remaining?
0.
0. Amy, tell me the answer. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. Four minus 2.
4.
Open 4 fingers. From that you can fold 2 fingers. What's remaining?
2.
2. Very good. Now, did I miss anyone? Jovak, please turn on your video. Jovak, tell me the answer. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. Open 6. Jovak, turn on your video and tell me. 6 minus 2. Open 6 fingers.
4.
Very good. I asked everyone now.
Karthik.
Karthik. Okay. Karthik, tell me the answer. 5 minus 5.
0.
Very good. So let's write in the notebook. Let's write in the notebook.
Ma'am, Crescendo. Yes.
Sando, I asked no. I asked.
I think.
Naitik also I asked. Now you take a notebook. Otherwise, we will not get time. Only 9 minutes remaining. So please take a notebook. Now I will give you questions. You have to write the answer. Okay. So at the top, you can write subtraction. You can do fresh page. SUBTRACTION.
Ma'am, writing.
Yes. Subtraction using fingers. SUBTRACTION. Subtraction using USING, using fingers.
Ma'am, can you tell us the finger spelling?
Finger, FINGERS. I will write only the questions. You have to write the answer. Now here we have A, 3 minus 1. B, 5 minus 2. C, 7 minus 5. D, 2 minus 2. E, okay. D, 5 minus 1. 2 minus 2.
Ma'am, can you up the board? Ma'am. Ma'am, can you up the board? Ma'am,
Now you can see.
you up the board?
Now you can see. Now you can see. You
Ma'am,
can write it down, down. I will write side. After E, we have F. 6 minus 4.
Ration not
T.
finished.
8 minus 5. H. 9 minus 3. I. 4 minus 4.
And we are write this.
J, you have to write this. 8 minus 0. Write the question and write the answer also.
Three, 5 minus 1. 5 minus 2. 3 minus 2.
Diya is present today. Diya Deepak. Diya Deepak absent. Juania Maria Vijay. Juania Maria Vijay. Madhav Krishna absent. Milena absent. Seraphin, who is writing in your notebook? Simply we are writing the numbers. No, Seraphin, you can do by yourself. Sarang Sharat? No. Siram Mariam Salman? Sriram PR? Vaishnavi?
Ration not finished.
Karthik, you can complete. I didn't ask the answer. You can write the question and you can write the answer.
And Chelsea finished.
Finish.
Yes.
Manuel, you write in your notebook. We have enough time. It's only 46.
Mommy, completed.
Those who have completed, you can check your answer once again. Naidik, 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. B, it is B here it is written 5 minus 2. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. See here J, up to J here. You missed some questions, Naidik. Check your questions. Naidik, check your questions. A, it is 3 minus 1. B, 5 minus 2. That I didn't see. C, 7 minus 5.
Ma'am, Giovanni, this is complete.
Okay, okay. Giovanni, tell me 3 minus 1. What's the answer? 3 minus 1.
3 minus 4.
Eh? You're adding the numbers. Yes, Giovanni? Here we are subtracting, no?
3,
So, minus 1.
1,
Who told you to take 2 fingers? 2 hands?
2,
What's the answer, Giovanni?
3.
3 minus 1. Open 3 fingers and show me. From that you fold 1 finger.
Ma'am,
Why are you taking the other hand, Giovannia? See, here we are subtracting. So you take 3 fingers. From that 3, you have to fold 1 finger.
6,
Okay, Giovannia, show me 3 fingers.
4,
Show me 3 fingers. Show me 3. I didn't see. Show me 3. Show me 3 fingers, Giovannia. 1.
1,
2. Show me 3 fingers.
That is also wrong.
Open 3 fingers.
and the
And show me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4,
Hmm?
8.
Where is 8?
Still 8.
Show me 8 finger on your
8, 5.
8. Show.
Giovannia. See, you have to open 3 fingers. Okay, Giovannia? 1, 2, 3.
Finish.
Now from this 3, you have to fold 1 finger. So what's remaining, Giovannia? 2. That's only I asked.
Ma'am,
So the answer is 2.
ma'am, Panilakshana finished.
Okay, Banu Lakshana. So you can check your answer. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 7 minus 5, it's 2. 5 minus 1, it's 4. 2 minus 2, it's 0. 6 minus 4, it's 2.
Ma'am, please send the note.
I will send the notes. 8 minus 5, it's 3. 9 minus 3, it's 6. 4 minus 4, 0. 8 minus 0, 8.
Ma'am, I will finish.
Okay. Okay. Okay, well, good. So these notes I will send in the group. So those who didn't complete, please complete that time. Okay. Now, thank you for joining. Bye.
Bye-bye.